Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are checking out the best heavy-duty commercial blender that can handle tough ingredients, big batches, and everyday kitchen work without slowing down. If you want strong blending power and smooth results every time, this one is worth seeing. Let's get started. The Chef heavy-duty commercial blender is built for people who need serious blending performance at home or in a professional kitchen. This blender is designed to crush, mix, and blend almost anything with ease. From smoothies to soups and frozen drinks, it gives strong and consistent results without taking too much time. One of the biggest highlights of the Chef heavy-duty commercial blender is its powerful 1800-watt motor. The motor spins at very high speed, which helps the blades break down both soft and hard ingredients quickly. Because of this strong power, the blender can crush ice, frozen fruit, and tough vegetables without getting stuck. It also helps keep nutrients and vitamins in your drinks by blending everything smoothly. The blender uses 6 hardened stainless steel blades that are made for heavy use. These blades are strong enough to handle daily blending without losing sharpness. They cut ingredients evenly, which means your smoothies and soups come out soft and creamy instead of chunky. Control is very easy thanks to the 3 speed settings and 4 pre-programmed functions. The Chef heavy-duty commercial blender lets you choose the right speed for different recipes. You can use low speed for soft fruits, high speed for frozen items, or one of the preset modes for quick blending. The pulse function gives extra control, so you can stop exactly when the texture feels right. Capacity is another big advantage. The blender comes with a large 63-ounce Triton jar that is perfect for making drinks for the whole family or preparing food in large amounts. The jar is strong, lightweight, and safe for everyday use. For smaller needs, the blender also includes a 20-ounce single-serve cup with a spout lid. You can blend your drink and take it with you without using another container. Safety and cleanliness are also well designed. The Chef heavy-duty commercial blender is made with BPA-free material, which makes it safer for food and drinks. Cleaning the blender is very simple. Just add warm water and a little soap, then use the pulse function for a few seconds, and the jar becomes clean without extra effort. In terms of design, the blender looks solid and professional. The base feels strong and stable, which helps reduce shaking during high-speed blending. The controls are easy to reach, and the jar locks firmly in place, giving you confidence while using it. In real-life use, this blender is perfect for smoothies in the morning, soups for lunch, and frozen drinks in the evening. It saves time, works fast, and makes cooking easier every day. The Chef heavy-duty commercial blender is great for home cooks, fitness lovers, large families, and even small restaurants that need strong and reliable blending power. Want a blender that can handle almost anything? Check the price link in the description and see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more powerful kitchen and tech videos. See you in the next one.